yesterday, right? Until we saw, okay, let me start with that. Okay, so let's say I am having, so you know how to create the HTML tag now, right? So the file name should be .html. Okay, I am just opening this thing. See, I am having a web page. Let me open my code before that. Okay, so forget about the style tag for now. Okay, see, I am having on HTML. Okay, and head and title, and inside this I am adding the new form dot CSS, which means the external CSS. Checks it, right? So this file I'm having in the same folder, new form dot CSS. This is the one. Okay, so these are my CSS classes, and
You do you have a headset to wear? Because it's you fading in and out. The voice is fading in and out.
I am having noise cancellation headset only, but I'm not sure why. Still, you are facing any issues? Hello,
So,
hello.
yeah, yeah. Okay, it's better now.
Okay, is it fine now?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So see this. So this is the HTML code, right? So what I mean, create some other class. Okay, I will delete all those things from here. I don't know anything here. Okay, see, I am deleting all those things. So first I'm having some HTML classes. See, this is not so. This is my HTML page. Okay, and
I
I'm
can't understand you, Bhagwat. Like it's breaking up, and then your accent is very thick, so I can't understand. Maybe can you use a headset? It seems you're away from the
I'm a
mic.
headset only, sir. Okay, just a minute. Hello, what about
Yeah,
now?
yeah. Now better.
Okay, fine. So see this HTML tag.
Yeah,
What we see is right. So this will be always start with HTML, and inside HTML I will have the head tag. Okay, and
yeah,
inside that I can have the title. Okay, so here just I have added HTML classes, and after that I am having one body. Okay, just I will run this and let's see how it comes. Okay, since see title is nothing but this thing, HTML classes. Okay, so whatever you are seeing here, HTML classes, this piece is called as title. Okay, for let's say I am keeping Russian classes. Okay, see it will change the example. So this will be my title. Okay, and inside body just I'm going to say hello world, then it will fill the hello world here. Okay, so whatever we are giving inside body, it will come here. So this thing already we saw it yesterday. Okay, and again I can add some div on this. Okay, so for let's say I am going to add div here, div, and I will close this div. Same, I'm going to say today is our HTML section. Okay, then it will keep on at the content. I'm going to have one more classes today. Okay, sorry, this is copy, and I'm going to have one more sentence. Today is Tuesday. Okay, So I'm adding this, then it will add keep on the content. Well, let's say I want to modify the background color, then I can add to style. Okay. For let's say I can add background color and I can do all the stuff what I want. Okay, background color is let's say I'm going to do yellow. Okay, so let's
Yeah.
see how it comes now. See the background color, and if you want, we can modify the font color as well. For the font color, just we need to give color, and I'm going to say red. Okay, so let's see how it comes now. See, after
Oh, I see.
yellow, it came to red. Okay, so like this. And for let's say you want to add the font size. Okay, just font size 15 px, then it will increase the font size. Okay, so if this is the case, I will do some 35. It will increase. Okay, see, so like this I can able to keep on add my styles. For let's say font family is to modify the font size. Okay, so for let's say I can give sans serif calibri. So there are some default font family is there. I can able to give that. Okay, so let's say now I want to add the same style for this div as well. Okay, or else I can have one more div. Okay, and we are in end of July. I'm going to have one more div like this, and I'm going to add the same div here. For this, I'm going to modify the background color as green. Okay, and this color is red is fine. Or you want to modify, you can modify. Okay, so see, I'm having two different divs now. For let's say I want to modify this first div are also green. Okay, then I can able to modify this and I can refresh it. So now this div and this div are in same styles. Okay, so like this I want to apply the same style for this div also. Okay, I can add the same piece here, but I don't want to do that. Why I need to repeat the same code again and again. Okay, so this concept is called inline styles. Inline styles. Okay, so that is what we saw yesterday, right? Three types of
It,
styles. If you go through the document, then you can recollect those things. Okay, inline styles. Okay, since we are heading the same line, now I am going to do just going to add one style tag under my header, the same style tag. Okay, just here I am copying from here and I'm pasting here. Okay, that's it. I am going to cut this piece from here. Sorry, I'm going to cut this piece. Okay, from here to here. Okay, now I will remove this. Okay, I want to remove this. So I just want to apply the, so I want to apply this stage here. Okay, for let's say I need to give the class name. For let's say, see here in div class I need to put some name. Any name is fine. Okay, so you can give any user defined name. So for let's say I'm going to say first div. Okay, just I the syntax, it will be dot the first div name. That's it. We need to do like this. So the dot refers the class name here. Okay, just I'm copying this and I'm pasting inside this.
no, finding it hard to hear you.
Still
Yeah, so sometimes when you speak now, it's okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So for let's say, just I need to mention the class name here. Okay, so class first div, then this name and this name should be same. It should be represented before dot. Okay, so this mm, dot refers I am using the class name. Okay, like this. Then I will see how my output it is. See, so only this div is having this style. Why still I need to add the same div here? Then this specific style will get applied for this also. Okay, see. So now you can see what is the advantages of earlier on and now. So now I am having control in one place. Okay, so for let's say I want to add the font size, then I need to modify in only one place. Okay, so I no need to modify this font size or something else in more than one places, right? So I'm having control in only one place, right? You see the differences, right?
Sorry,
Hello.
just finding it hard to hear you.
Okay, I will reconnect again. So no, I want to pay. I got a hard system.
Hi.
I go rejoin. So let's see. Okay. I go
Okay.
check it from my end. So it's awesome. Fine. Okay. Let me share my screen again. Okay. So what we have seen. So this is the first to do. We saw, right? So here where is my page? So, okay. So see, I will put the first user answer key. So is this is the way. So I no need to maintain multiple pages. Okay. So this is the advantage of this. So for let's say I am going to add one more class for my second div called second div. Okay. What I need to do, I need to add one more class here. So like this, I can add n number of classes. Okay, I'm going to name it as second div. Okay, and here just I am going to modify the background color only. Background color, and I don't want to.
I can't understand you, Bhagwat.
You mean still my voice is breaking?
Yeah, it's coming, but I think you're going very fast, and I can't hear it properly. It's like you're not speaking into the mic. It seems like it's far away. You're very far away from the mic.
Okay.
Because the other guy, like the AI, is fine. No problems with that. It's just
Okay.
this
So
one.
let me know if you are facing issues. Okay. Otherwise, I will try to correct from audio from my mobile. Okay. See, this is the first view and this is the second view. And in second view, what I gave, so first I modified the background color only. Okay, background color is yellow. I am saving this and I am seeing the output here. You can see, right? Am I clear now?
Little bit better, but still not right.
Okay, just wait. Then let me try to turn audio from mobile. See here, so okay, what I told, right? So in this notepad, see, I am having two divs. Okay, one is first div and
Yeah, this is better. This is better.
okay, other one is second div. Okay, so
Yep.
I am
Yep.
having some set of two different styles.
So like this way, I can have multiple divs and I have some different styles. Okay, so the output will be like this. So this is the use of internal styles. Okay, so for let's say I can do one more thing. Okay, I am having some other pages. For let's say I don't want to keep this styles in the same HTML. So what can I do? I can just cut this from here and I can remove the styles from here and I can pay, and I can create one more separate file called form.css. Okay, so here just I will open this and I am going to put my code here. Okay, first div and second div. Okay,
So what
then
is div? Like div is
division, that's it.
division. Okay, that's it, just
Yes.
division.
And the first div, second div is my class name. So you can give any name. Okay, not limited. So see, so now what I have done, just I have removed all my styles from my HTML into a separate file called form.css. Okay, so but still I am having the class name here, first div and second div, first div. So from where it will take, just I need to give the link here like this. Okay, link like this I need to mention. Okay, if I mention like this, then it will take the class from this file. So here I'm saying I am linking on style sheet file, which means the CSS file, and the file path is this thing, new form.css. Okay. See, now if I do refresh, then it got changed. Okay. So, but now I am not going to do this. Just I remove this. Then what will happen? I don't have the linking. So it is just displaying the plain HTML since it can't able to find the classes. First div, second div, and first div. So which I have mentioned in this file, new form.css. Okay. So in same way, I can use this class in more than one HTML pages. So let's say I'm having some another file called form2.html. So here also I am linking the same file only, new form.css. Okay. So if this is the way, for let's say I want to change this background. Okay. So see, this is form1.html and this is form2.html. Okay. For let's say I want to modify this background color from green to yellow again. So I can change this background color in only one place. Where is my first div and second div here, right? So for let's say I can modify the background only here, yellow. Okay. Only the first div I'm doing modification. I'm having the same class. Okay. Deform that is right. Having any other place first div, second div? No. Okay. Put this, then if I do refresh, see it got modified in yellow in two places also. So the so this is called as external style sheet. So here I have separated my CSS code into a separate file, into an external path. So like this way, just I'm reusing my new form.css in both this HTML, this form.html and form.html. I am using the same file. So like this, I can use the same CSS in multiple HTML files. So if you want to do like this, then we can go with the external style sheet. Clear? So now you can see the differences, right? inline CSS, internal style sheet, and external style sheet.
Sorry, so what is internal external style sheet?
Okay. Yes. Okay, fine. I will repeat again. External in the sense, just in my HTML, I am linking this external file called new form.css. Okay. So this is called as external style sheet. Okay. So just I need to mention the path here. Internal.
Okay, so you basically linking from reference href to link
Yes,
referencing
yes, yes,
another.
yes. Right. Okay.
Okay.
Internal styles in the sense I don't want to do any reference. Just I am directly adding my style tag. Okay, directly adding my style tag in my HTML itself, like this. Okay, this is called as internal style sheet. In okay, the same way, just I will have the classes in my same HTML. Okay, this way also it will work like same only. See, now in the form 2, I put the class only here. Okay.
So this one here, you just put in the style tag,
yes,
and in the style tag you specified whatever you want, color, padding,
yes,
etc.
yes.
And this is only for the title, for the header.
Not header. See, this is how the class name comes, right? First div. So wherever I am using the class as first div, this one, all will get applied into this styles.
Oh, I see. So if you want that first div, if you want to give it a particular characteristic, you got to put it under the header
Yes.
before
So
the body.
yes, under header only we need to add the style tag. Okay.
I see. So whatever you add for the style tag, so just scroll down. I just want to check something. If you scroll down,
Okay.
div class equal to div class. But where is the style? Where will it apply across the whole body?
Yes. It will
I
occur
see.
called body wherever it is having the class name as first div. See, I am having one more class called 𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐄 here. So, but I don't go styles for this. Okay. So that's why it is still coming as white. For let's say, if you want to add any styles for dative, okay, you can add like this. For let's say, I'm going to just give the color as color. I'm going to mention this blue or some orange. Okay. Let's see how it comes. See, color got changed, font color got changed, right?
Okay.
So for let's say you're not sure about the color, then what do you do? Just you need to do the right click. There is some option called inspect. Okay, in the inspect you can see the class name here, dative, and the corresponding color which is coming from here. Okay, so whatever we are adding under styles or the CSS, it will come here. So from here also I can able to choose my color from this color picker. See, it is getting modified there, right?
Yes.
So if you're okay with this color, then just you to come here and there is some 6-digit hexadecimal code. Just you can copy this and you can paste here. So that also works. Okay, so you can mention the color in multiple ways. One is string, another is string. Okay, so black color, red or orange, something like that. Or else you can take this hexadecimal code from here. Or else if you want some the RGB ratios, then click this arrow, it will provide the RGB ratio or this color. Okay, select this and you can use this also. like this. RGB pattern, something like this, okay? So RGB, and need to mention the ratio. So, but always try to go with the hexadecimal code. So we are having multiple, so around 1 colors are there, okay? So like this, you can opt for a color picker, okay? So like this, you can drag and drop. So if you want and something in red shade, just click here. All the combinations will come here, and you can opt for a color. See here, this RGB value is also getting changed, right? Or if you want to some blue color, then it will also change. So you can copy from here and you can paste here. So this is the way we usually write the CSS class. Okay. So not only this, but let's say you want to modify the font size. Okay. Just so if you start a type something like this FONT, and then all the combinations will automatically populate. Okay. So let's say font family, you want to change the font family, then there are some types. See the left side as well, and the font styles are getting changed. See, notice this, right? So, for let's say if you are okay with this font family cursive, then you can copy this whole font family class from here, and you can paste the same thing after the title. Okay, so now this cursive will come automatically here, but whatever you are doing here, right? It will get back to default value once you get refreshed. Okay, so if you want to real change, then you need to modify here only. Okay, so in the browser only runtime you can check. For let's say you want to apply some border for this. Okay, border something called border line. For let's say blue violet and the 2px or the 5px color. Okay, 5px and the dotted line you want. Okay, dotted. See how it comes now. Okay, so for the dative, I have applied the border with this color blue violet, and the 5px is the border size. Okay, so if you want to increase this, you can increase. So for let's say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I am increasing this. Or if you are okay with 1 or 2px, then it is enough. Okay, 2px, and there are some predefined styles. Okay, dotted or double line. Okay, you can for the solid in the sense the ordinary line solid. Okay, and if you are okay with this tail and you're good to go, then just copy from here and come to the notepad and add the styles here. So this is the way to need to develop the CSS. You need to make our websites colorful. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Okay, so like this you can play with the CSS. So maybe you can take any of the website. So for let's say go to some red bus or take the Flipkart. Okay, go to the Flipkart site and just do right click and come to the inspect.
Yeah.
Okay, here also you can see the tail class. See, they are having some classes like so, but it's a real time. So they have having the classes like this. 𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐄7 and so for let's say if you want to see this class specification, just click on it. Okay, in the below it will come. So in this class what they are doing, so just they got done just keep a content, plug send. If you want to uncommand this and just to uncommand, and if you, and I'm uncommanding this also, see, so there will be some minor change inside. Okay.
What is the change? What is the change that has happened?
Okay. See the first I need to see what is the use for this class. So while I'm doing mouse over here, so see the left portion. It is so that specific portion is for the div 𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐄7L. Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm coming down. See, this is for the search box. Okay. And I'm coming down. See, so this is for the username. And I'm moving on. So this is for the become a seller. Okay. I'm moving on more and I'm moving on card. So like this, I can able to see which class is coming from where. So for let's say I want to modify the username size. Okay. So just click this, do the left click. It is showing this, right? For let's say I want to increase the margin. Okay. See, if I am doing the outer portion or let's say the inner portion 20 ps, I am increasing. See, the gaps are the size are moving left and right.
Right.
See the figure. So far, each will have one unique style. So let's say see the maximum width. Okay. So by default, take a set the maximum with just 150 ps. If you want to increase or if you want to decrease, see the it's getting overlapped now, right? See,
Right.
all will have one unique characteristics. Okay. So for let's say you want to modify the blue color. Okay. So what you need to do, just you need to right click on top of the blue color. Okay. And so there's something called inspect, and inspect it will clearly say from which class this blue color is coming. Okay. I'm showing one more time. Do right click and inspect. We need to look for this color. See, so this is for whole menu bar. Okay. I go click it this. See, there is something called background color, right? For let's say I want to modify this into some yellow color. See, it's getting modified, right?
Yeah. How did you know that was the div class for that with that hexa code? Because
That's what I'm saying, right? So for let's say you can take any of the side. Okay. For let's say I want to see from which class they are giving this background color. Okay. So try to do this on to laptop also. Okay. Go to the specific portion. Okay. And see my cursor. It is near to my Flipkart cursor, right? So do the right click, mouse right click, and so something called inspect. So the position matters here. Okay. So from where we are doing the right click. Okay. So see, go one by one. So I need to track from here only. See, so this div class is for the Flipkart Plus logo, and I am moving
how
one
do you know
step
it's for
up.
Flipkart? It's for Flipkart Plus because has it automatically highlighted that?
Yeah, yes, it will do automatically highlight that. See,
Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah.
I'm moving my mouse here. It is getting automatically highlight, right? So
Yeah.
while moving up, also this thing, and this is for the whole menu bar. Okay, this whole menu bar, and just click this, and you will get to know my background color is getting applied. From here, I want to change this color. Okay, I can modify like this. Okay, but once you got refresh this, and again it will move to a default value. Okay, You need to modify the real code, right? It got moved into the default value now. See, so if you can modify the real code here, and then it will get applied. Clear? Okay. So I think this is what we go seen yesterday, right? So all the styles and background colors. So I have covered those now. HTML and CSS thing. So maybe I think time is 8:57. Okay. So maybe try to go through this document once. Okay.
Right.
Until headers and CSS. So maybe you can try with some at least chapter 10 we have covered. Okay. So until at least chapter 11. Okay. The font says only chapter 11. So try to cover from this chapter 11 and do some exercise on this. Okay. You can create some HTML pages and you can have the CSS. So maybe you can try with inline, internal, and external, whatever you want, or try to run this code. So there are some examples given also here. Okay. Try to run this and
like how do you, is it like how do you create it on, like how do I create it on my computer? Is it like does it link to localhost or something?
no, just for HTML simple. Okay. Nothing else. So create a new
So
folder.
maybe can I share my screen and you can show me on this?
Yeah, sure. Yep, so I am stopping my screen share. Maybe you can share yours. Okay.
Yes. Okay. It stopped?
Just a minute. I don't see the stop. I think I have stopped. Okay. No, is it? Wait. Just a minute.
Okay.
Hello? You can share yours now. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So that's my screen. So would go to a browser?
No, totally process. So you want to create an HTML file, right?
Yeah.
So, so first create a new folder and we can put all our works under the folder. Okay.
So create a new folder.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll create
So
one.
we will have all our code in only one place. Okay. Create on folder first. You
Okay.
told
So
you have the VS code or the notepad, right? Anything
new
is
folder. So what do I call it?
you can put HTML session or whatever you want. Yep.
Okay. So I
Okay.
created a new folder. Yeah.
Yes. And under this, there will be notepad plus or VS code. Okay. Create a new file. Create a new file first. Do right click. Yes.
Sorry, new file.
Yep. New file.
Folder. I don't have.
Test document also fine. Test document is fine. Test document.
Or test. Sorry, I can't
Test
understand you.
document. Under that folder, create a new file. Like, how will you get the test file? Do right click. New test document. Type the name as call it your pages hello world.html.
Sorry, I can't hear again. What? I think the accent.
HTML, give any HTML name. You can say hello world.html, something like that. Hello world.
Or just go practice.html.
Yeah. .html. Okay. Say enter. Say enter. Open this file now. I think still this in test. Okay. See the extension. See the file name extensions.
.txt.
Yes. So it should be .html. You need to remove the .txt from this file.
So how do we do that?
Click the view option, view. Above.
Where?
It's there, right?
View?
After that, view,
Yeah.
file name extensions.
File name it.
Last option, show file name extension. So now delete the TST. Do the rename. That's it. Rename. If you, hey, no, it's _HTML is already there. Now just enter. Yes. So now, it's an empty page. Okay. So now open this file in Notepad or in VS Code, or simply you can open a new file in VS Code, and we can save from there also. Okay.
This, sorry, so VS, oh, sorry, here it is.
So, yeah. Open.
New file.
So, yes. We created the file, right? So just we are going to open that file from here, okay? Or else, if you want to create the new file, then we need to get the new file also. Both will work. Where is the folder? Open this. Open. So now type the HTML code here. Dark type HTML visa, right? You can type any of the HTML code. If you open the document and just so you can copy and paste some.
This one here, like.
Yes, this works. Copy this and paste this. So, but where is HTML and that is the head. So the content should be inside body, right? You are having HTML, and after HTML, what will you have? Type head, right? Head tag. After line number 1, just type head.
What?
Head.
Head, okay, yeah.
We saw, right? Head. Okay. So in VS Code, the ending tag will come by default once you type the start tag. Okay. So now inside get what we need to go. We need to give the title. Okay. Give some title. Title. Yep. Type something inside title. You can write. Give some title. That's it. Follow belt or practice same is fine. Practice or follow belt, anything is fine. Okay. So now title is done. Okay. So we go close to the head also. After that, what we need to give, we need to mention the body tag, right? Body. So inside body only, we need to place the web content. I mean H1 P tag label or do whatever. Okay. So now cut from line number 17 to 24 and space inside that. Yep. Cut and paste. So here there is a error. So maybe you can remove the line number 18. Label for the syntax is wrong. Okay. So and yes, delete the bracket. That's it. I remove the label fully. Have some div. That is enough. Put some div and type anything. Inside type, just type something. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. So now div. So div got lost. Body got lost. Achievement lost. Save this. Put Control S.
Yep.
And come to the folder. So we need to run this now. Right.
Yep.
So come to the folder and click on it. It will run. See. So they're having just a plain HTML. Okay. So in this way, you can add the CSS also, what we have discussed before. interface.
just
Okay.
with here, why is it saying student attendance form?
You are giving in line number 12, right? Student attendance from H1 style. You only gave.
Oh, okay. So I thought I'd remove that. Okay, sorry. So if I H1, the heading 1,
Yes.
heading 1.
So the my favorite food will
Oh,
come
will
in the
be on
browser
the
title.
tab,
It's
browser
a
title.
browser title.
Okay.
See in
But I
the
can't see the
tab.
browser title. Where does it say browser title? My favorite.
See the
It
app
doesn't say.
above. That's your browser tab. Yes.
Oh,
Above
okay.
my
Yes.
favorite food.
Okay.
That is
Yes, my
called as
favorite.
title. Okay.
Okay. So
Hmm.
I'll put here. Control S.
Just to refresh. Let me say.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yep.
So from this page, you can do the remaining exercise for the CSS, right? So you can add the style tags, or you can add the external styles also. So the external styles is also the same thing, and just the file name extension should be .css instead of .html. Okay, so you can refer the document. It will be easy for you. Okay.
Now, so how tail, what does it do? Because tail is supposed to be inside, right?
There is no tail concept. It's really there. Check from how did you get this tail tag? Tell me.
Because I thought you said that tail was if you wanted to link it inside the page.
Tail. It is not tail. That is what I have explained from my laptop, right? Style. STYLE. Style.
Oh, style. Okay, style. Okay.
It should be inside head, okay? Not inside body.
Inside text. Inside head.
Inside head,
Yes,
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 yes.
yes, 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 yes.
After
That's correct.
title, inside head.
Yes.
So
Yeah,
that
yeah.
is how,
So before the body.
yes.
Body, style. Okay.
If you develop some 1 or 2 pages like this, then this style tag, check the spelling. STYLE. It is automatically coming, right? Hmm.
Okay. So I made a mistake. That's why it's not coming. Okay, cool. So why is this showing this now yellow? It's showing there's a mistake?
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Got it. It doesn't automatically correct. Okay.
So if you go install the chat GPT and your VS Code, then it will do that as also. Okay, so it will do for you.
So what will it do for me? So what are the commands that can be used? One of them is color, one of them is font, that sort of thing. It's the
Background
style.
color and all those things. Okay, background color, font size, color, and the font family, padding, margin.
Backdrop.
No, backdrop. These things are comes under JavaScript. Okay, so that is not needed. You need to
Why
try
is it not?
this. Wait, you need to try this. So all will not come. Okay, so you need to try this in line number 19. Okay, inside style, so you need to put the class name, right? There's a class name here. So maybe you can write some class name for 24 div. Line number 24, write some class.
Class name.
How will you write the class? After
So
div,
where
just put class is equal to the class name. After div, Tishan, so I'm not sure whether you listen my classes or not. After div, just put class
here after the class here
before the
or
class.
in here?
Yes, yes, yes.
Class.
That you don't know. Okay. Equals, give any name. Inside double quotes. Inside double quotes, give any name. Yep.
Look. So class equals, let's say,
Any name is fine. First div or second div. So you can give any name.
sorry, any name.
Yes. You can give 1 to 3 also. Though but that should be defined above. Okay, yellow is fine. So now come to the style tag after line number 7.
Style tag, yeah.
Okay. So inside that put dot yellow. Okay. So dot will mean the class name. Okay, yellow, and open brace, close brace. Inside that we need to give the background color and those stuffs.
So what do I put in here now?
After dot yellow,
Yeah.
you need to put the set brackets. Set bracket, flower bracket. Yep.
Sorry, I can't understand which bracket.
Set bracket. We you need to put, right, set bracket.
SIT, sit bracket.
Yes. ET.
ET.
Yes. CT bracket. Set bracket. So it will
Like this one?
in your yes.
Curly bracket, you mean?
Yep. So here just put background color or font size. Okay, now it is coming, right? So this is the way you need to look for that. Okay, background color, background and hyphen color, follow the syntaxes. So it is showing, right? You are missing to
Okay, yeah,
select the
background
option.
color.
Use
And
some
then
color from here. Just you can choose and go. That's it. Okay, so don't try to type the whole things. You will miss.
font.
Yes.
Oh, okay, forest green. Okay,
Forest
color.
green. Okay, it should be color. If you need
Then
font, then just to type font. It will
font
come.
size,
And
I say larger.
yeah.
Then, okay, so it'll automatically bring the semicolon, then select the next one.
Yes.
So what do I select now? Font size, then underline.
Color. Yes. Underline. We don't give. So for that, you need to give test decoration. Test TEXT type TEXT test decoration. Second one.
Decoration.
Click this and
Okay,
here,
so
right, underline dotted. So like this. Okay. Save this and run. So you can add whatever classes you want.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is the way you need to go. Try to create some 2 to 3 HTML pages. Okay, you will be clear.
Okay.
So this is internal style sheet. Okay. So for, let's say, if you cut this on line number 8 and you can put this into separate file, CSS file, then that is called as external style sheet. Okay.